In this episode of Jonathan's World, Jonathan takes a second to appreciate plants. Then, Jonathan gives you a recommendation which could save your life. You can't afford to miss it. And then, we go around looking at weird animals, including ones created by Disney. Want to see Huey, Dewey, and Louie? Check them out. This is Jonathan's World.
This is Jonathan's World. Jonathan's World. This is Jonathan's World. Jonathan's World. This is Jonathan's World.
Elephant's down tree because it doesn't look like roots out the top. In reality, they're leafless 9 months of the year and can be over 2,000 years old.
I know these are ferns on this tree. These are ferns. That's the tree. They're growing on it. I don't know. I am here in the jungle trek location in Disney World Animal Kingdom, and there are a bunch of ferns all around. See? The whole thing is just full of all different kinds of ferns all around. All of them are, once pinnate, but it's alright. I've seen other variations in this park, so it's fine. Oh, this is awesome. It's beautiful. Yeah, that new leaf is coming out. Really nice. This is a nice big fern right here. This one. Oh my god, it's the tree. Check it out. It is freaking huge. Huge. It's like the biggest tree I've ever seen in my life.
Yeah. Look at that tree there, Daddy.
This is awesome. We have orchids all over the place. Mostly cattleyas, but I think I saw a vanda. All over. These are the orchids we've been seeing all over the place. I haven't been getting close enough. When that one blooms, it's going to be beautiful. Yeah, they are. They're all over the more orchids. They're just all over the place here. And here's some ferns. For my ferns class, check them out. I don't see any sori though. No sori. They're not reproducing for some reason. Maybe they reproduce vegetatively or something. I don't know. Look at these orchids. They have like spots. There's two different types. There's ones with lines and ones with spots. See them? Oh, and look at those. Whoa, those are huge. I haven't given out a recommendation in a long time. I know I said not to drink Coke products except for XXX vitamin water, which is my favorite, but now I have a new recommendation. Recently, my girlfriend brought a box of cereal, and this cereal is changing my life. Honey Nut Cheerios. It can help lower cholesterol. So for all you people who have high cholesterol about to have a heart attack, eat some Honey Nut Cheerios. Please, America, you have to do this. I'm sick and tired of seeing this country get fatter and fatter and fatter. It seems like everything's made in China nowadays, and everything's being shipped overseas, and the only thing America's making is fat people. So, eat Honey Nut Cheerios. We are here in Disney's Animal Kingdom. Watch the big birds. Come on, let's keep going. We'll keep you updated on all of our adventures. Take a look. No, it's not dyed, it's naturally pink. What about these, baby? Look, there's a bunch of them. Look at the colors on that. Wow. There's so many. There's so many. No, it's not fake. This is all real. This is all live, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see if we can see more birds. You're not going to believe this. When I saw it, I didn't believe it. But Disney World is infested with birds.
Hello? Look, we're in some place. I like the way you walk.
Walking kind of funny. Hey, we were walking through Camp Minnie Minnie. We just finished seeing the birds, and we saw Huey, Dewey, Louie, and Daisy. I think I said that right. And there's a lizard on one of their heads. I'm not even joking. You will laugh when you see it. Check it out. There's a lizard on his head. You got a picture of the lizard? Get a close up of the lizard. I know you can't see it like this, but there's a picture, so we'll see it in the picture.
Oh, look there, there's some white-breasted commoners. Those are diving birds. And some pink-backed pelicans as well, and more hippos. Here, the lightest pink of all the flamingos. They get their color from the keratin in their diet. It's the brine shrimp and the crustaceans that they love.
Hello. There's another one there.
Look, it's going all over the place.
Honey, one right here.
Everybody, you want to stay back. He is a wild animal. He will bite. We don't want anybody to get hurt. Folks, you want to stay back?
That's cool.
He said, I got my chance.
Oh, Donna. You missed it. He opened up his wing. Yeah. Woo, I got it. On camera. Beautiful. Hello. I don't know if you can see that's a bird. Look at the ducks. See him? The ducks. Oh, look at these macaws. Oh, it looks like they're making out. Look at those ducks down there. The ducks are down there. Whoa, look at the size of that. Is that a geranium or begonium? Check it out. Here's what happened. I was looking at the trees, and I saw white spots. And I said, hey, look at the flowers. But no, they were birds. All of them. Check them out. All those white things are birds, and here's the proof. See the birds? They fly back and forth and stuff. It's pretty cool. It's nice. Ooh, look at that one. Right above my head.
Dipping themselves. Here. Now, white rhino are larger than the black rhino, and the females can be larger than the males. They were poached to the brink of extinction. Because of all the conservation efforts and all the anti-poaching methods. And oh, white rhino, what a great view! Look at there. Ostrich eggs too. Let's see.
Ostrich eggs.
Black. Therefore, they are black. Comes from Arabic. It means graceful. Reticulated comes from Latin. It means net-like. For the beautiful pattern on their coat. They have a 12 to 18 inch long tongue. They actually use to wrap around the branches.